Hello survivors, right now I am at the new home to unlock a skill known as Illusionist, but before that let's claim our rewards from Jar, let's claim our shovel and let's go towards the donations. Okay, so where is it? Here we go with the flow. I hope I can complete it right now. 1, 2, okay. Can it be done? That's the question. Okay, looks like it could be done. 692, here we go with the flow guys. I did not get the illusionist skill guys because there is one thing I need to do, that is make one more armor potion. But for making armor potion, you know, we need sealing wax, and for sealing wax we need to complete the Odins or go towards the Odins, which I haven't done it till now, but I have done the trade for the sealing wax guys. As you can see on the screen, I have traded 60 and for like 3 sealing wax, which was very important for me. So yeah, now let's go towards our base. Let's proceed to alchemist table guys, and for armor potion, let's see, we need 1 flask of water, 2 spirit, 1 sealing wax and 1 alchemic powder. The thing is, I do not have the spirit guys. As you can see, I have only 1 and I need 1 more. I used to never give importance to this spirit guys. Whenever I used to see it, I just used to ignore it and never used to take it, which is a big mistake by my part guys. So whenever I see the spirit right now, I'll take it guys anytime, because legitimately I might have seen like more than 50 spirits, but I never took any of those, which I'm feeling regretted about right now. So yeah, need to go towards the red zone to find 1 spirit. So let's go with the flow. So if you need spirit, you just need to kill this guy out here. Sometimes he will drop the spirit and sometimes he will not drop the spirit. So right now I hope he has the spirit on him, and he unfortunately does not has it. So I'll take the rope. Rope is also very important guys, never forget that. Okay, so here is another guy, his brother. You can get spirit from him as well, so let's try to kill him. After 2 hits, he does the special attack thingy. I'll show you. Oh, he died. Sorry. He does not ask freaking anything. Why? I need 1 spirit. That's why guys, always collect the spirit if you get it. Okay, Dragon Shaman, please give me 1 spirit. No. Oh my freaking god. Dang it. Okay, do you have spirit? No, he has the freaking nails. Wow. What the flip? Hello boy. No, no fighting. Peace. No peace. Want to do peace? No. Want to shoot me? Come on, boy. Shoot me. Bro, help, bro. Oh no. Run. Okay. Is he specially behind me or 2 people? Okay, both are of same team. Yes, no, no, yes. Are they trying to kill each other? What the flip is going on? Peace? No? No peace? Oh, what the flip? No, run Poxo. No, no. Okay, I died again. Both of them were in same team. And I had a freaking dagger. Come out here, Dragon Shaman. Perfecto, use your skill. Nice. So after 2 hit, he will use his skill, guys. Always remember that. Do you have spirit? No, he does not has a freaking thing on his body. Why? Okay, Dragon Sorcerer, please have a spirit on you. I need it. Come on. And no spirit. Why they don't have any spirit on them? What the flip is happening with me? I used to find so many spirits. Now I'm not finding any. What's happening? Why the world is doing me like this? Okay, let's check this box. I hope I can get a very rare weapon, which is not possible. I'm just kidding. Oh, 2 dragon scales. What the flip? Okay, I need that. Let's eat the food. I need the dragon scale. Just a sec. Let me switch up my weapon. And I'll take the dragon scale. Let's eat up the food. Perfecto, nice. There is a dragon shaman. Let's see, guys, if he has the thing that I need. Come on, dragon shaman, please give me the spirit. Come on. Yes, I got the freaking spirit. Now I need to delete this. Okay, someone is near me. Okay, bro, peace. See, I'm not fighting you. You don't fight me, okay? No, open the box. So there is a green player. I think he might turn red, guys. I don't know. So let's just exit the zone. I found the freaking spirit that I needed. So that's a freaking awesome thing. And let's go towards the base. So I've crafted the final armor potion which I needed to unlock the illusionist skill, guys. Let's claim it, and the illusionist is available to us. Let's go with the flow. So this skill is going to help me very much in the tombs and in Odin's, and especially in PvP, guys. So I do not have the staff yet, but as soon as I get it, it will be very much useful. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you all did enjoy, do leave a like, and if you are new out here, do subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you all next time. So still then, take care. Peace out.